possible inaccuracies in data generated by air quality monitoring stations, lack of real-time information on pollutant sources and shortage of public transport buses were among some of the findings of the CAG report on measures taken to control air pollution in Delhi. The CAG report on prevention of air pollution from vehicles was tabled by Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta today. This was one of the 14 pending CAG reports from the last 2 years. 3 reports have already been tabled, including those on liquor excise policy and health as well. My colleague Ishika Verma is still there with me. Tell us a little bit, Ishika, about the impact of this report and the inaccuracies in data that have now come out.
Well, yes, in fact, Rika, as you rightly mentioned, yet another CAG report has now been tabled in Delhi Assembly. This particular CAG report talks about the steps that were taken for the mitigation of the vehicular pollution here in the national capital. Now, if we talk about the entire audit report, it shows how, in fact, the PUC stations, and not just the PUC, but the air quality, management stations that were made, they were placed under a tree, and that is why, there were various instances where the readings came out wrong. Also, in fact, going on to mention that how the PUCC certificate, that is the pollution under control certificates, even there were alleged irregularities. Number one, that in fact, 2 vehicles were issued PUC certificates at the same time. That cannot happen if the system is working perfectly fine. Now, number 2, when in fact the PUC checks were done, that the vehicles, even the vehicles when they were fined, the money was taken as a bribe by those who were present there, deployed by the government, by the then government over there, and then they were given the PUC certificate. So in this way, because of this alleged corruption, even those vehicles which did not pass the PUC test, even they were allowed to ply on the road. So various other irregularities that have come now, and
right.
In fact the
Ishika,
environment minister
while
of Delhi,
Ishika, while we are reporting about the irregularities, one must tell our viewers that these were the irregularities done by the previous Delhi government that has now come out in the CAG report. But the question really to you now is, what is being done to reverse this? Because what happened in the past is in the past. Air pollution, the quality of air in the national capital continues to be a big worry for the residents. So do tell us what is happening now in the present.
Well, that's a very good question, Rika, because, now the CAG report has come out over the mitigation of vehicular pollution that was done and the alleged irregularities that were there by the previous government in Delhi. Now, if we talk about this government, now they continuously say that various steps are being taken. In fact, spot checkings are also being done. New technologies are, in fact, being asked to be introduced for controlling the air pollution here in the national capital, and also the frequency of, if we talk about the mechanical sweeping, also the water sprinklers, they have now been increased. Not just that, if we talk about, the entire budget allocation also, that has, the government says that it has also been done well by this time the government. So apart from all of this, if we talk about the vehicular pollution, which is the highest contributor, there if we talk about, they are saying that, the current government, if we talk about, and also the transport minister is saying that as and when the DTC buses and the cluster buses, their contract ends, the electric vehicles in that same number are being added to the fleet. And all of this is being done only to bring down the vehicular pollution here in the national capital. Also for controlling, in fact, the age-old vehicles here that continue to ply on the roads. It was the Environment Minister Manjinder Singh Sirsa who in fact gave orders that no fuel will be given at the petrol pump stations to all of these, these vehicles which have already aged. So these are various steps that are, that the government says that they have been taking, and they are in fact assuring the people that this time the pollution will not turn out to be a health risk that happens every year.